Welcome back to Marin English Lab. This is your IELTS Speaking mock test series, designed to help you think, speak, and perform like a Band 7+ candidate. In today's episode, you'll experience a realistic IELTS speaking test simulation, with a modern topic from recent exams: technology and AI. Let's step into the exam room.
Good morning. My name is Liam. Can you tell me your full name?
Good morning. My name is Olivia Smith.
Do you work, or are you a student?
I'm currently working as a data analyst at Amazon. I analyze large datasets to support business decisions and improve customer experience. It's quite a demanding job, but also very rewarding.
How often do you use technology in your daily life?
I use technology on a daily basis, almost constantly. At work, I rely on data tools and software to process and interpret information. In my personal life, I also use technology for communication, learning, and entertainment.
Do you think technology has changed the way people communicate?
Yes, absolutely. Technology has made communication much faster and more convenient. However, I feel that it has reduced face-to-face interaction, which may affect the depth of personal relationships.
Now, I'm going to give you a topic. I'd like you to talk about it for 1 to 2 minutes. Before you speak, you will have 1 minute to think about what you are going to say. You can make some notes if you wish. Here is your topic. Describe a piece of technology that has changed your life. You should say what it is, when you started using it, how it has changed your life, and explain how you feel about it. Alright, you have 1 minute to prepare. You can start speaking when you are ready.
One piece of technology that has significantly changed my life is artificial intelligence, especially tools like ChatGPT. I started using it about a year ago, when I needed support with both my work and English learning. At first, I was quite skeptical. But gradually, I realized how powerful it could be. In terms of impact, it has made my work much more efficient. For example, I can quickly analyze ideas, generate reports, and even practice communication skills. As a result, I've been able to save time and improve my productivity. As for my feelings, I find this technology both exciting and slightly concerning. While it offers many advantages, I believe we should use it wisely and not become overly dependent on it.
Now, we've been talking about technology. I'd like to discuss this topic in a more general way. Let's consider the impact of artificial intelligence. Do you think artificial intelligence will replace human jobs in the future?
To some extent, yes. I believe AI will replace repetitive and low-skilled jobs because machines can perform them more efficiently. However, I don't think it will completely replace humans, especially in roles that require creativity, critical thinking, and emotional intelligence.
What are the advantages of using technology in education?
There are several advantages. Firstly, technology makes education more accessible, as students can learn from anywhere. Secondly, it provides a wide range of resources, such as videos and interactive platforms, which can enhance understanding. However, students also need to be disciplined. Otherwise, they may get distracted easily.
Do people rely too much on technology nowadays?
Yes. I believe that's true, to a certain extent. Many people depend heavily on technology, even for simple tasks. For example, they use GPS instead of remembering directions. In my opinion, it's important to maintain a balance between using technology and developing independent thinking.
How can governments control the negative effects of technology?
Governments can introduce regulations to ensure that technology is used ethically. For instance, They can implement laws to protect personal data and prevent misuse of AI. In addition, they should invest in education to raise awareness about responsible technology use.
Alright, thank you. That is the end of the speaking test.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
You too. You may leave now. And that's the end of the speaking test. Take a moment to reflect on Olivia's performance. She didn't use overly complex vocabulary, but she spoke clearly, logically, and confidently. That is exactly what you need for a Band 7.
If you want to sound more natural and speak with confidence in the IELTS exam, don't just memorize answers. Train your thinking in English. And remember, fluency is not about speaking fast. It's about speaking with clarity, purpose, and control. See you in the next lesson.